If you think radishes only belong in one neat little row, oh, we are about to upgrade your garden strategy. Because radishes are not just fast, they are sneaky useful. You can tuck them between slower crops, use them to mark rows, fill empty spaces, loosen soil, and keep your garden producing while other plants are still thinking about it. In this video, we're talking about how to plant radishes strategically throughout your garden, where they fit best, what to plant them next to, when to sow them, and the biggest mistakes to avoid if you do not want a garden full of spicy little regrets. So if you want more harvests, better spacing, and a garden that works smarter, not harder, this one is for you. And if you want help planning where radishes fit in your beds, checking timing, or figuring out why your radishes came out weird and rude, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App has your back. You can grow it. Chapter 1. Why radishes are the ultimate strategic crop. Radishes are one of the smartest crops you can plant because they grow fast, take up very little room, and do not ask for much. Honestly, they are the low-maintenance friend of the vegetable garden. Most radishes are ready in just a few weeks, which means they are perfect for filling gaps while you wait for slower crops to get going. Instead of staring at empty soil like it owes you money, you can put that space to work immediately. Radishes are also great because they help break up the top layer of soil. They make row marking easier, and they give you quick wins early in the season when everything else still looks like a promise. And if you are not sure where radishes make the most sense in your garden layout, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App can help you build a planting plan that uses every bit of space smarter. Chapter 2. Best places to plant radishes in the garden. Radishes work best in the little spaces other crops are not using yet. One of the best places to plant them is between slower growing crops like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, peppers, or tomatoes early in the season. While those plants are still small and acting innocent, radishes can grow fast, get harvested, and get out of the way before the big crops need all the room. They are also great at the edges of beds, along pathways, in corners, and in small open spaces where a larger crop would feel cramped. Radishes are basically the tiny house people of the vegetable garden. They do not need much, but they make the most of it. You can also plant them between rows of carrots, parsnips, or onions. Radishes germinate fast, so they mark the row and help you see where things are before the slower seeds even wake up. Chapter 3. Planting radishes between slow-growing crops. This is one of my favorite radish tricks because it makes you feel wildly efficient. Let's say you plant broccoli, cabbage, or cauliflower. Those crops need space eventually, but early on they leave a lot of open soil sitting there doing absolutely nothing. That is where radishes come in. Sow radishes in between those plants while they are still small. By the time your brassicas start spreading out and getting dramatic, the radishes are already harvested and gone. It is like booking a short-term tenant who actually leaves on time. You can do the same thing with tomatoes and peppers at the start of the season, as long as the radishes have enough cool weather to finish before the heat really kicks in. The trick is timing. You want radishes in and out before the larger crop starts shading them too heavily or taking over the space. And if you are unsure which of your crops leave enough room for a quick radish harvest, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App can help you plan pairings that actually work. Chapter 4. Using radishes as row markers. Radishes are one of the best row markers in the garden, and honestly, they deserve more credit for this. When you sow slow germinating crops like carrots or parsnips, it can take a while before you see anything. During that time, it is way too easy to forget where the row is, weed the wrong spot, or stare at the soil like it personally betrayed you. Radishes germinate fast, often in just a few days. So if you sow a few along the same row, they pop up first and show you exactly where your slower crop is planted. It is like your garden leaving you helpful little sticky notes. Then you harvest the radishes before they start crowding the main crop, and everybody wins. Chapter 5. Planting radishes in waves for continuous harvests. Here's where gardeners either look organized and brilliant, or end up with 30 radishes at once, and then nothing for a month. Do not plant all your radishes in one giant burst. unless your dream is a crunchy emergency. Plant them in waves. Sow a small batch every week or two. That way, instead of one huge harvest, you get a steady supply. A few ready now, a few later, a few after that. Nice. Calm. Civilized. This is especially helpful when you are planting radishes throughout different parts of the garden. Maybe one batch goes near your brassicas, another along a carrot row, another at the bed edge. Suddenly your radishes are everywhere, in a good way, not a chaotic way. And if you want help building a succession sowing plan so your harvests stay steady, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App can help you time each planting without the calendar headache. Chapter 6. Best Companion Plants for Radishes. Radishes are friendly little things. They work well with a lot of crops, especially when you use them strategically. They pair nicely with carrots because they mark rows and break up the soil. They work well with lettuce and spinach because they all enjoy cool conditions and quick growth. They fit nicely around onions, beets, peas, and brassicas too. Radishes can also be useful near cucumbers in some gardens, especially as an early season crop before things get crowded. And they are great for filling little gaps around crops that are still getting established. The main thing is to place them where they can grow fast and leave before anyone starts fighting over space, light, or water. Chapter 7. When to plant radishes for the best results. Radishes love cool weather. That is the big secret. If you plant them when it is too hot, they get stressed, bolt, turn pithy, or come out tasting like they are mad at you personally. So the best times to plant radishes are usually early spring and again in late summer into fall, depending on your climate. Because they grow so fast, you can tuck them in almost any time there is a short, cool weather window. That is what makes them such a strategic crop. They are not demanding a huge seasonal commitment. They are just saying, "Give me a few weeks and I will make it worth your while." And if you want to know exactly when radishes fit best in your local season, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App can help you plan based on your weather and planting window. Chapter 8. How to plant radishes so they actually grow well. Let's talk setup, because even the easiest crops can get weird if the basics are off. Radishes like loose, well-drained soil. If the soil is compacted or full of rocks, your radishes can come out forked, stubby, or just deeply confusing. Sow seeds shallow, space them reasonably, and keep the soil evenly moist while they germinate and size up. Not soggy, not bone dry. We are aiming for consistency, not emotional extremes. If you plant too thickly and never thin them, you are basically asking the radishes to wrestle each other underground, and nobody looks good after that. And if your radishes are coming out cracked, tiny, hairy, or weirdly shaped, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App can help you troubleshoot what went wrong and how to fix it. Chapter 9. Strategic Radish Planting Ideas for Raised Beds and Small Gardens. If you garden in raised beds or a small space, radishes are basically your secret weapon. You can tuck them around the edges of larger crops, between rows of greens, beside onions, or in little openings that would otherwise sit empty. They mature so fast that they are perfect for making every square foot work harder. In a small garden, radishes are not just a crop. They are a filler crop, a marker crop, a quick harvest crop, and sometimes a confidence-building crop when everything else is moving at the speed of a tired snail. Think of radishes as the productive little overachievers of the garden. Tiny, fast, no nonsense. Chapter 10. Radish growing mistakes to avoid. Now, let's save you from the classic radish disasters. Mistake number 1, planting too many at once. That is how you end up with a radish mountain and a weird sense of obligation. Mistake number 2, planting in hot weather. Radishes like cool conditions. Heat makes them bolt, turn pithy, or get way too spicy. Mistake number 3, poor spacing. Overcrowded radishes stay small, misshapen, or fail to bulb properly. Mistake number 4, uneven watering. Dry spells followed by heavy watering can cause splitting and inconsistent growth. Mistake number 5, forgetting to harvest on time. Leave radishes in too long and they go from crisp and lovely to spicy furniture. Chapter 11. Simple Radish Planting Plan for the Whole Garden. So, here is the easy strategy. First, look for open spaces. Between slow crops, along bed edges, beside carrot rows, around onions, in corners, and in any little patch of bare soil that could give you a quick harvest. Second, sow small amounts in multiple spots instead of one huge block. Spread the radish love. Third, plant in waves every week or two so you always have some coming up and some ready to harvest. Fourth, harvest on time and replant the space with another quick crop or let the slower main crop take over. That is how you use radishes strategically. Not as a random side project, but as a smart little crop that keeps your whole garden more productive. And if you want a simple way to plan where each round of radishes should go, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App can help you build a step-by-step radish strategy for your garden. So if you want to plant radishes strategically throughout your garden, think beyond the basic row. Use them between slow crops, as row markers, along bed edges, in small spaces, and in succession so you get harvest after harvest without wasting room. Radishes are fast, flexible, and way more useful than people give them credit for. Comment below and tell me, where do you plant radishes in your garden? In neat rows, tucked between crops, or absolutely everywhere like a crunchy little takeover? And if you want help planning your radish layout, troubleshooting weird roots, or figuring out the best planting timing, check out the StrongEcho AI Gardening App. You can grow it.